At Noga Great Homes, we use a structured property care and asset preservation system designed to help property owners protect, monitor, document, and preserve the value of their investment over time. The process begins with the customized evaluation based plan, where we perform a professional visual evaluation of the property to identify visible conditions, potential risks, and maintenance needs, generating a digital report with organized photographic documentation and preventive or corrective recommendations. Based on this evaluation, the property owner may enroll in the Essential Care Plan, an ongoing preventive maintenance and scheduled monitoring system designed to help reduce deferred maintenance, prevent costly emergencies, and keep the property in better operational and rent-ready condition. If repairs or improvements are identified during evaluations or recurring visits, we use the Corrective Services and Work Authorization Form or the Repair and Additional Work Authorization Form, where the scope of work, recommendations, pricing, and owner authorization are clearly presented before any work is performed. Throughout the process, the client has access to a digital portal where they can review reports, photographs, service history, invoices, and organized property documentation. Our goal is not simply to perform isolated repairs, but to help property owners implement a documented asset preservation system that provides greater operational control, risk reduction, support for maintenance or insurance-related processes, and long-term protection of the property's condition and value.